Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down the European Court of Justice, one of the most crucial legal institutions within the European Union. But what exactly does the ECJ do, and how does it shape the laws that govern the EU? Let's take a deeper look. The European Court of Justice, ECJ, is the highest court in the EU, and it's based in Luxembourg. The ECJ ensures that EU law is interpreted and applied consistently across all member states, meaning that national laws must align with EU laws. When there's a conflict, it's the ECJ's job to resolve it. Composed of 28 judges, one from each EU country, the court ensures that EU law is adhered to throughout the Union. These judges serve 6-year terms, and their decisions are binding on all EU countries. The court's rulings impact laws, policies, and even everyday life for millions of people living in the EU. Now, how does the ECJ work? There are 2 primary types of cases it deals with: preliminary rulings and infringement procedures. Preliminary rulings occur when a national court asks the ECJ for clarification on how to interpret EU law. This ensures that EU law is applied in the same way across the EU, regardless of where you are. For example, if there's a question about how EU competition law should be applied in France or Italy, the national courts may turn to the ECJ for a binding interpretation. Infringement procedures are when the European Commission believes a member state isn't following EU law correctly. The Commission can take the issue to the ECJ, and if the court agrees, it can order the country to comply with EU regulations. If the country refuses, the ECJ has the power to impose financial penalties. But the ECJ isn't just about disputes between governments or EU institutions. It also plays a vital role in protecting the rights of individuals. Over the years, the court has made landmark decisions that protect human rights, consumer rights, and worker rights across Europe. Whether it's ensuring that people can move freely across borders or that businesses follow competition laws, the ECJ helps maintain fairness and justice within the EU. The court also plays an important role in environmental protection. For example, the ECJ has ruled on cases related to air pollution, water management, and climate change, ensuring that EU environmental laws are respected by member states. These rulings help safeguard Europe's natural resources for future generations. The ECJ is also assisted by advocates general, independent legal experts who offer non-binding opinions on cases before the court. While their opinions don't directly affect the court's ruling, they are often a crucial part of the decision-making process, providing a deeper legal analysis. So, while the ECJ may seem far removed from daily life, its rulings have a profound impact. Whether it's ensuring that you can travel freely across the EU or guaranteeing that your consumer rights are protected when buying goods from another country, the ECJ plays a fundamental role in shaping the rules that govern modern Europe. The European Court of Justice is a vital institution that upholds the rule of law, ensuring that EU laws are consistent, fair, and respected. It helps ensure that citizens' rights are protected and that member states comply with their obligations under EU law. So, the next time you hear about the European Court of Justice, remember that it's not just a legal institution in Luxembourg. It's the backbone of the EU's legal system, ensuring justice, fairness, and equality across all member states. If you want to learn more about how the EU works and how its institutions shape your life, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.